It is not uncommon for police and other security agencies to arbitrarily arrest suspects. Even when mandated by law, shouldn't the manner and reason for arrest be justified?
Somebody should identify themselves. I'm so and so. I've come to arrest you over this matter. You're entitled to keep quiet if you so wish. You're entitled to a lawyer, access to your family, because we've had cases where people are incarcerated or arrested and their families don't know where they are.
The 2012 Uganda Human Rights Commission report indicated weaknesses in the procedural safeguards for arrest and detention in the country. The report also showed that many pre-trial detainees are victims of arbitrary arrests.
55% of the detainees who are awaiting trial, and as you know, not everyone that's been arrested or suspected of a crime is guilty, so you find that there are people that wait for trial for too long.
The people who are convicted were higher than those on remand, but now as it happens, the figures are again gone back. It's slightly high, and it worries us.
The law authorizes police and other competent officials to arrest anyone suspected of or planning to commit a crime. It also tasks law enforcers to produce the suspects in court in not more than 48 hours.
So when you delay to take them to court, that becomes arbitrary because it's not clear.
And what is worse, somebody is incarcerated for many years, and at the end of the day, the magistrate, the judge says you are innocent.
Human rights activists say that these are some of the causes of human rights violations, such as congestion in detention centers, torture of suspects, and corruption.
People's rights are violated when they are in incarceration.
This was the basis on which human rights commissions in several African countries designed the guidelines on arrest, police custody, and pre-trial detention, which have been launched today. In these guidelines, human rights activists urge law enforcement agencies to revise the conditions on arrests and pretrial detentions to eliminate the violation of the rights of the suspects.
Justice will also be seen to be done very fast, because justice delayed is just denied.
We may have to consider as a country to have suspects come in and attend their trials from the outside.
Numerous human rights reports have adversely criticized the police for torturing suspects. The prison services have also come under fire for subjecting detainees to hard labor. These guidelines may not be new, but form key recommendations that stakeholders can take up and join hands to especially sensitize the masses on their rights. Gertrude Tumusiime Uwitware, NTV.